So today we are going to explore Bandobak caves. This is an attempt to explore the unexplored areas of East Karo Hills, and this is near Ronkham, and we thought we'll start with that. So just after crossing the river, you have to go to the right side. So these caves, it seems, is very close to the river from Ronkham, but not many people know about this. Here also we asked a lot of people, but not many were aware of it. So these kind of locations in the district, we really want to put it on the map and tell people how to reach there, and also so that more tourists can also come. One villager we met on the way was saying that it's the caves are submerged with water and not advisable to go now. But since we have come all the way, let's go and check. I'm getting a feel that this place is perfect for anacondas. I hope they are not here, but it seems so. Or I think I have been watching too much Discovery and too much Man vs. Wild. Just look at this. It's a great little adventurous trek for the Bear Grylls in you. Part is a little deep, but the water surprisingly is warm. So these are the initial. It is, yeah. Initial parts of the cave. We don't know how deep is it. Nice. Even in the caves, there is a plastic bottle. Not many people from Williamnagar have reached Bandobak caves, but yes, this has reached. Very nice. We'll take it while going. So people go to Siju for all kind of caving experience, but of course it seems we also have right in the Williamnagar this beautiful structure. Of course it's a little, I think, difficult to reach and full of water, but I think it's beautiful if someone wants to explore this. There's so many good places, interesting places like this in our district in East Karo Hills, and I think we need to explore it so that we can tap the potential of tourism, of course responsible tourism, and that will generate a lot of livelihood for our people. Wow. And I think this is the last part of the cave, but wonderful. this has been a great find, I think, and it's a great side spot for Ronkem. Those people who are coming to Ronkem can also visit these caves, and obviously we'll try to document it in a better way so that people know where it is going forward, so that it's easily to reach, and it will also help these local boys who can act as tourist guides and take tourists to this wonderful spot. So yeah, we look forward to include, it's already there actually in the tourist map of East Garo Hills. It's just unfortunate not many people know. Hopefully after this vlog comes out, it'll get a little popularity that it deserves.